Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and it's Friday. Thank God it's Friday, August 15th. Okay, well, I think that the backing and filling stage that's been going on for the last 2 or 3 days is just about over. So I think next week could be a pretty good up week for the Dow, the S&P. The Qs are already up. They keep making new highs every day. But we'll take a look at the major indexes, and I'll show you what I see, and I'll state my case. Okay, what kind of day we have? Well, we had a blockbuster of a day today. We sold this RDN, and it's an 87% profit in 7 trading days. Boy, one of those every month would be just perfect, wouldn't it? Anyway, they had a good week overall. So I have a new idea for Monday, and then we'll take a look at the stock we bought this morning, LLNW. It's already handed us a small profit. It's always nice when they hand you a profit the same day you buy them. It's a good sign. Okay, so the idea for Monday morning is, now you can have this in any color you want as long as the color is black. That's right, Ford Motors. In just a moment I'm going to show you the chart. I'm going to show you how we're going to take this idea and turn it into some money. So don't go away. I'll be right back. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of Ford, symbols F. This is a call on the long side, and we'll be looking to buy this stock Monday morning somewhere around $5.11. It's just about where it closed, and it may pull back down to the 5 area again. It may not. Most of the work that it needed to do is just about finished. My target on the upside is $8.50, right from this old high from where it came down from. My stop loss limit would be a close below that area right there. Right here is the spot I'm talking about, and that price is $3.99. So a close below that probably would change the entire picture. I don't expect that to happen, but I know a lot of my readers want to know where the bailout price would be. Okay, so what do I see here? Well, a couple of things, okay? First thing I see is a little bit of a base and a good solid breakout, and then a pullback into the support area. So it's going to be breakout, pullback, go, but within that framework we've also got our friendly ascending triangle at work. And there it is. This was the initial breakout, pulls back into the triangle, and it's actually, this formation right in here is an ascending triangle all by itself. So it's an ascending triangle inside of a bigger ascending triangle, and we got a little false breakout here, and now we're pulling back into support. That's why I said I think most of the work is finished here. The next move should be headed up here. So let me recap that. That's Ford Motors, symbols F. It's a call on the long side, and depending on where we buy this, we could probably make ourselves about $3.40 or $3.50. Okay, it's only a $5 stock. Alright, so that's my idea for Monday. Let's take a look at the stock we bought this morning, LLNW. Off to a good start. I bought this morning at $3.99, and it closed right on the high of the day, $4.22. So let's remind everybody why we bought this. This is that long ascending triangle. Remember, the bigger the base, the bigger the move. And we also have this, rally, pullback, breakout, pullback. And I believe that that's what's going to pursue until it gets to our target. Okay, we'll put that into our portfolio. That's very promising. And we'll keep a close eye, and maybe in a couple of weeks we'll be ringing the register in that one. Okay, let's go take a look at the major indexes, and I'll show you why I think this backing and filling process is finished, and or if it lasts another day, that might be the max. This is the Dow Jones. Okay, you can see that we've made a new recovery high, and when we do that, we always pull back, and that pullback is 2 days down and 1 day up and another day up. And I think we're just about ready to start another uptrend and break out above this top. That's my prediction for next week. Early next week, I believe we're going to get out above this. And we might get up into here, and then we pull back again. And then this will be support. Remember, as long as this part of the triangles stays in effect and doesn't get violated, we're in great shape. And I don't expect it to get violated. It hasn't happened yet. It's not going to happen. Okay, transportation average. Rallied another day, up $4. It was up a lot more. What this is showing us is that this is definitely great support. It got down there, didn't stay there very long, had a good rally out of there. Next day had another rally and a little bit of a follow through today. And this also shows me that this backing and filling process is just about over, and I expect to break out in the transportation average. I actually expect these transportation average before this uptrend is over, which is going to last for a while, longer than people might expect also. I do expect this to make an all-time new high. This is the old all-time high, and I expect them to get above that. S&P 500, very similar to the Dow. We had our new high, we pulled back, and now we're getting ready to make another new high. I believe that's going to happen early next week. Russell 2000, we made a new recovery high again. This isn't doing much backing and filling. This backing and filling is sort of like a sliding up move. We actually stuck our nose through the June high here. Interesting, very interesting. Very strong looking chart. I'm going to even move the support area up from where it was to probably in there, but I'll give it a little wiggle room and say it will not, if it pulls back, it will not violate that low right there. SPY, basically Standard & Poor's 500, looks very much like the Dow. We're going to make a new high in that, a new recovery high next week in that. QQQQs. Made a new recovery high today, and these look very similar to the Russell 2000, except the Russell 2000 is basically up in here based on its June high, and we're going to get there. I'm going to say that any pullback will not go below that low right there. Okay, so I look for a very positive week next week. The uptrend will continue, and it's going to carry us right along with all of our positions. So until Monday, that's my view of the market, and this is TK signing off.